Hey there, welcome to the part 2 of how to make a Microsoft website. In the first video, I've shown you how to configure the settings, how to install the files, how to set up the database, how to install the site mainly. So in this part 2, I will show you how to tweak the settings, how to customize the site for your customers, and what are the settings or functions you can add in the site. So let's get started. So at first we have to access the admin panel. So for accessing the admin panel, this part 2 is most probably you will get the most benefits after watching after part 1, because here I won't show anything regarding to installation. Here I have installed the site. Just I will show you what are the functions, admin functions you can do from the CMS. So after installing the site, you will get something like that. I shown you in the part 2. Be sure to watch that out. So so for accessing the admin site, just at the end of the URL, type /admin. And then if you hit enter, you will be redirected to this page. So this is the URL. This URL will be in the description box. You can visit this URL to visit the demo site. The credentials are username is admin and password is demo123. And all these will be written in the description box. So let's log in. So here are we in the admin home. So here are many options. I will try to show the most of them. If I fail to show all of them, you can check those out by yourself. The admin username, password, and the URL will be in the description box. So let's get started. So this is the home page. You can see the total number of jobs from here, total task from here, total live jobs from here, and offers, sales, etc. So this site is completely new, means I installed a new version. So there are no users, no jobs, nothing. But when your site will have many users, it will show up here. Next comes the users panel. Here um, you can add users, you can take out the top referrals, you can filter out the users, and from the users you can delete them. As I don't have any, so sorry, I can't show you, but you can register in the site, and then you can check that out. And now next comes the job field. Same goes for the jobs field. You can create a site, create a job, search a job. You can approve a job from here. Um, when a user will submit a job, here will come one red circle. You can click here and approve the job if it meets your criteria. So here, then the job applicants. So basically what this field is for is when some users complete a job and they are awaiting the approval of the job publisher. You can view it here. You can approve it by yourself, or the job publisher can approve it here. Okay, so here comes the next is offers field. Offers field is like a gig in the Fiverr. When users publish a gig, the buyers can say something like that is the offers field. And there's a little typo, but don't worry, in the main front end there is no typo. Okay, so next come the orders field. Orders field is for the offers field, means when some buyers ordered offers, here will come here. You can delete them, you can edit them, you can see the feedback, you can see the how much amount is, you can check the debt status, actions, etc. Next comes the category field. You can add okay, let's wait for it to load. I apologize for the slow internet connection. Let's try reloading. Yes, yeah. Here's the categories field. You can search all the categories that are here. You can add a new category. You can set the minimum price for the category, like bookmark is the minimum price. How many jobs are there? You can check that out. You can delete them. You can just edit them. Search bookmark. You can set the description for it. You can set the minimum price and then click on update. Suppose when if I show you the sign up, I want to make the minimum price to suppose $1. I click here one and then click on update, and Facebook one. Oh, sorry, I think I did it for the data mining. Let me do it for the Facebook one. Yes, when I click on update, you can see it's $1. The minimum price convert to $1. So next come the countries field. You can add any countries, you can edit any countries, you can edit the name, you can sort the order, and you can give the country code. These are the things you can do. Then in the credit users, the thing you can do is on the credit users field, again, slow speed, sorry for that. Okay, by the time it's loading, let me tell you, the credit users field is something like here that all the users list will be shown there, and then if you want to credit any user with any price, then you can edit any with any money, then you can give that there in the credit field. Yeah, I'm sorry for the delay. I had to switch my Wi-Fi. So in the deduct, add or deduct money, you can just, as I told, you can add money for the users. Suppose there is a user named Regine. So if I search Regine, he'll come up here as I don't have any users. So there's nothing showing. So you can just, in the payment, you can type deposit or withdraw. Then in the amount, how much you want to add the users or how much you want to take back from the user, you can write it there. And then in the comment, you can type like, here's a withdraw. Suppose someone gave you an offline deposit, then you want to give that here. You can let the hand, then hit and submit. Nothing will happen, obviously, because I didn't fill out the forms. Okay. So then in the payment section, it will be the section for where the users can request for the payments. They can, when the users request for the money they had in their accounts to withdraw, these will come up here. You can just confirm them, and then a field will come up there. You can give that's money sent to this PayPal account. Then click on enter. Now then you can go to the payment section is for just the deposit one. It's just for the deposit one, and the withdraw request is for the withdraw one. Sorry, I confused you guys. So the payments is for the deposit one, withdraw is for the taking on the withdrawals. Then the payment methods, you can add as many as payment methods you want. You can add deposit as PayPal. These are all integrated with the site. So you don't have to work it out. Suppose I want to add a new payment method named Bikash. So if I write here Bikash and then type, I want to click it as a deposit, add payment method. So in the payment details, I will give that send money to 01. This is the number. Then deposit fee, you can set a deposit fee, suppose 8%, then click on add deposit number. Then when one will try to deposit money, he will see this message that send money to this number. He will have to send money that. Then he can click on enter. Then there will be the request will go to the payment section. You will review the payment that if he has sent the money, then you can just confirm it. If he doesn't, you can decline it. So here comes the next important feature. It's same IP account. Suppose there are many frauds there. When you turn on the referral system, the user just open an account with different name and then they start referrals. So you can do is you can check out the accounts with the same IP address and then ban here, then find them, then delete their account from the site. So this is actually a quite important feature. There is a support tickets. When the users when the user open a ticket for support, the tickets will become here. Then the messages section, this is usually between the users and the buyers of the offers field. So this is generally when you turn on the offer section, you can check out them, and suppose a buyer told you that this seller frauded with me, then you can review their messages here and find out who really frauded. So Here comes the next is news field. It's quite like a blog section. Suppose you want to add a news like referral commission increase to 2%. You can publish a news here, add a click a news, and then title, then the section of the title. Here comes the beautiful editing section. You can just hit the title and then click on add news. Okay, let me show you by adding one test. Let me type. Then click on add news. Here comes the test. You can view it over here. Let me view it in the new tab. Oh, yeah. Here comes the alarm to the dummy text. So let's see how it looks on the main site. So for that, let me go to job. Yes. Now in the news section, in the footer, I can see the news. See here. When you click here, read the other news. You can see the here. Okay. So next section is content. You can edit the page. You can edit the content. Suppose I type here. Yeah. Let your microjob be crowdsourced. You can edit that from here. You edit the text from here. And then, sorry. Yeah. You can edit the text of the about us page, you can find about us page here. Yeah. You can edit the about us page information here. You can add meta description for the SEO, meta keywords. Yeah, that's all. Then the email templates. You can edit the email templates. So sign up email, suppose when anyone signs up, then you can, an email will be sent. So you can edit this. Thank you for registering uh, site, something like that. Then click on update. Yeah, sign up email. You can edit others ones like sign email, activation email, job decline email. Suppose you decline the job that doesn't meet your criteria. You can edit the job message here like sorry, declined because it meet our criteria. Sorry, criteria, and click on update. So that's how you do that. Now the email members, this will come up when someone registers for the newsletter section here. In the newsletter section, let me try registering. Subscribe. You've successfully subscribed. Let me try refreshing it. Oh, I think something has been causing problems with my server, but it'll work on your end for sure. Okay, now let's come to the settings field. Okay, so here comes the most important. You can edit the site name. You can change the logo. You can change it. You can edit the site address, but please don't do that. That will break the site. You can edit the email address, site currency. There are many currencies. I added many currencies there for you. You can check that out. Currency format. You can check that one. Language. It's only English. Sign up captcha if you want the captcha during the sign up. Let me show you. So when I click on sign up, they'll be shown a captcha. If I click it no and click on save changes, that'll probably go away. Yeah, that gone away. So you can edit it from here. Post jobs, you can disable the post jobs or enable the post jobs. Post offers, you can disable it or enable it. Show site status means if you want to show these stats, and do you want to show these stats on the site, means here you can see the job posted. If you want to show, you can just go in here. Let me show you in the site status. If I click on no and then hit an update and refresh the site, you can see this section has gone out. Let me just click yes again and this will come up. Yeah, you can see this came up. Cool feature, huh? Then you can set the time zone. Let me set it to Dhaka, Asia, uh, Asia, Dhaka. Yes. Click on save changes. Yes. Now in the job field, you can change the job approval fee, job fee, how much fee you want for a job. Auto approve task means suppose a user, a buyer, or a job poster didn't check the job site after, means didn't approve or decline it, then after how many days you want to reapprove it. So delete not completed jobs after how many days you want. Worker can delete a waiting review task, yes, if they can, or if they can't. So there are many other options. So show jobs for not registered users. If a visitor visits the site and if he's not registered, if you want to hide the job from him, you can just click on no. I just give it as yes. So on the homepage, what you want, only homepage jobs, or you want only recent jobs? You can select these options from the jobs field when you click on the publish jobs, or when the users try to publish a job. So you can also auto approve jobs, or you can just make it for approval by you, so that the site is not spammed. So you can allow the proof files. Obviously, these are really important functions. Suppose they use a computer file, they need to complete, they need to give a proof to you. So for that, they can upload a file like PNG, JPG. You can set the files for here like PNG, JPG. If I want, I can give their, sorry, yeah, I can give their like SVG also, SVG format, or any other format. Just you could give this sign and then type the format name. I can give there also zip, zip, zip format. Then minimum worker rating, how much worker rating. Suppose after completing a job, the buyer can give a review to, after completing the job poster can give a review to the job worker. Then how much minimum workers you could apply to jobs? 3. Okay, how much minimum positions needed? 3. Featured job price, how much? 5. Jobs per page, 20. Let me set the settings. Now let's come to the offers field. Okay, offers field, you can post offers, allow users to post the service. If yes, they can post. If no, they can't. Auto approve new offers, you can set it no, because you need to approve those. You need to check out those. Okay. Now the sign up bonus, you can set the sign up bonus for $1 or 0.25, something like that. Refer a friend bonus 0.25. You can set everything. And a confirm a friend means after one has referred to a friend, after the friend's balance remains to 0, then he will get the refer bonus price. If you can set the threshold from here, minimum payout threshold, you can set from here. Activation email, if you want or not, you can turn it off. Notification, we recommend to keep it at off. Okay, so now you can set the avatars pixel size. You can also manage the spams block list from here. It's quite easy, a really good CMS for you guys to create a micro job website. So bonus payment fee, you can set it from here. A worker can apply for how many jobs per day. You can set it to 0 for no limit. Then premium workers, how many much? It's something like you want. Okay, now let's come to Facebook. If you want to Facebook Connect, means users want to use Facebook to sign up to the sign up to the site, log into the site, then you can click on yes. And then for these, you can follow these instructions. I've written they are all perfectly. You can follow this instruction. Next, in the payment field, you can set the minimum deposit, how much. You can set up your payment account, Payza, anything you want, and then click on Save Changes. Next, the mail. So from here, you want to send the mails, your email or any other email, like no reply there at winniejob.com, no reply there at rajinsir.com, mail type. Let's keep it PHP mail, because if you set up SMTP, you need SMTP account and you need this host user and password. It's quite junky. So I recommend use PHP mail. At the first, it will come up at the spam of the users, but spam folder of the users. But after some time, while the Google will understand that it's not no more spam, then it will go to the main folder after some days, 2 to 3 months, or even 1 month. Okay, then email notification. So you're the admin, right? So do you want to get notified by email when a new job is added? If on a new offer is added or a new deposit, you can click that here if you want. Then on the other section, you can give your Facebook page URL. So the Facebook page URL will go to the here. If I give your suppose my Facebook URL, when users click on this from the below the site, they will go to your Facebook account. So show Facebook like box. Let me just save yes, and then just refresh the page. Oh, sorry. Sorry, my bad. It's not, it will only show when I gave the Facebook page URL. I didn't give it. So yeah, you can give that and turn it on yes. Let me keep that on 0. Okay, you can add the Google Analytics code here to take the stats of your site. Then the admin password, you can change the current settings, current password to give the one. You can change the admin password, confirm new password. Okay, so generally in the demo, you won't see this field. I will hide this field so that you guys can change my password, but you can use the other fields as easily as you can use the other fields easily. So after that, you can log out, or yeah, you can visit the site in a new tab. So yeah, that was my video for today. I hope I got everything. If I missed, let me know in the comments below. I will surely help you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.